Look at the bird, it's right close to me. And I'll whack him out with this stick. Hold on, Bummer! Hold on, dude, I got this bird. Look at him. I don't know, dude. He's right close to me, though. Come here. Come here. He don't even want to fly. No, he ain't flying at all. I've been chasing him for 20 minutes. Look at him. I've been trying to spear him with this fucker.
Where is it?
He's right here. Look at him. He don't even run. That's what I was saying. I want to eat him. Get him, Rob. I'll get another stick. We'll get the son of a whore. I'll beat him to death. He don't fly. He's an unflyer. You're chasing him right into the brush. I can't be doing all this fucking... That stick ain't worth the shit. The other stick, holy fuck. No, it don't, man. He don't want to... I know, that's why I've been chasing him. Stupid. I'll get him on this side. Did you get him? Get him, Rob.
It's coming back. It's coming back.
Chase him my way.